Hello, my friend. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Sam, and I'm very happy you're here today. Great job for taking time to learn English. You're doing amazing. Today, our topic is Learn English through mini-stories. Mini-stories help you understand English better. You listen, you think, you answer, and you learn in a simple way. In today's episode, we will follow this pattern. Listen, discuss, listen again. We will have 3 short stories. Each story will help you learn new words, repeat key phrases, and practice English speaking. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this podcast. Your support helps more English learners around the world. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin learning English together. 2. Main content, 50 minutes. We will study 3 mini-stories. 1. The Lost Key. 2. A Quick Breakfast. 3. The New Bicycle. Each section, listen, discuss, listen again. Story 1. The Lost Key. Listen. 4 minutes. Tom wakes up early. He wants to go to work, but he cannot find his key. He looks on the table. He looks under the bed. He looks in his bag, but the key is not there. Tom feels worried. Then he remembers something. The key is in his pocket. He laughs and says, "Oh, I forgot." Discuss. 10 minutes. Great listening. Let's talk about this story. We will learn some simple words. Wake up. Open your eyes in the morning. Example. I wake up at 7 a.m. Find. To see something you are looking for. Look. Search with your eyes. Worried. When you feel nervous or scared. Pocket. Small space in your clothes. Good job! Now, let's answer some questions. Speak your answers out loud. Don't be shy. Interactive questions. Where does Tom look for the key? How does Tom feel? Where is the key in the end? Great! You're doing very well. Keep talking. Keep practicing. Repeat after me. Say these sentences with me. I look for my keys every morning. Sometimes I forget things. My key is in my pocket. Nice job. Listen again. 3 minutes. Tom wakes up early. He wants to go to work, but he cannot find his key. He looks on the table. He looks under the bed. He looks in his bag, but the key is not there. Tom feels worried. Then he remembers something. The key is in his pocket. He laughs and says, "Oh, I forgot." Coffee? Story 2. A quick breakfast. Listen. 4 minutes. Anna is hungry. She wants breakfast, but she is late for school. She opens the fridge. She sees a banana. She says, "This is fast." She eats the banana and runs to school. Discuss. 10 minutes. Nice. Let's learn from this story. Vocabulary. Hungry. You want food. Late. Not on time. Fridge. Cold box for food. Quick. Fast. Something that does not take a long time. Example. My quick breakfast is a banana. Interactive questions. Why is Anna in a hurry? What does she eat? How does she feel? Good job. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help you grow. Repeat after me. My quick breakfast is a banana. Sometimes I am late. I eat fast when I am busy. Well done. You're learning step by step. Listen again. 3 minutes. Anna is hungry and late for school. She opens the fridge, takes a banana, and eats it quickly. She runs to school. Bicycle. Story 3. The new bicycle. Listen. 4 minutes. Mark buys a new bicycle. The bicycle is blue. He loves the color. He rides it in the park. The wind feels nice. Mark smiles and says, "I love my new bike." Discuss. 10 minutes. Let's learn new words. Vocabulary. Buy. Get something with money. Ride. Sit on a bike and move. Park. A green place with trees. Wind. Moving air. Great job. Interactive questions. What color is the bicycle? Where does Mark ride the bike? How does he feel? Very good answers. Repeat after me. I ride my bike in the park. The wind feels nice. I love my new bike. Excellent speaking. Listen again. 3 minutes. Mark buys a new bicycle. He rides it in the park. The wind feels nice. And he smiles. He loves his new bike. 3. Wrap up. 5 minutes. You did an amazing job today. You listened to 3 mini stories. You learned simple vocabulary. You practiced speaking with me. And you built more English confidence.
Hello, and welcome to our language learning.
Remember, many stories help you learn English faster because they are short, simple, and easy to repeat. Now, it's your turn. Community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell me in the comments. I want to read your answers. Thank you for listening, my friend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English stories. See you next time. Have a great day.